This is Ash with Cady Business Technologies. Today we're going to be looking at the Contacts menu. Here you can see the contacts on your phone system and even add your own. Let's get started. To view your contacts, click on the Contacts button on the left-hand side. You may choose Colleagues at the top bar to see people on your system. With anybody, you can click on the Chat button or the Call button to chat or call with them. There's also a phone book section. If you have any contacts in your phone book, either shared or personal, they will be listed here. You may also create a new phone book. If I create a phone book, for example, personal, and click the Create button, then I will have my very own phone book where I can add contacts. If I click New Contact, I can put in a name and as much information as I would like. I also need to choose a phone book, which is why it's important to create your own phone book. Here you can enter a number and you can choose to add email, address, and all sorts of information. When you click Add, then you will see that contact appear under Phone Book. You can choose to filter by all phone books or your own personal phone book.